Mara li kienet qed tiġi akkużata li korrompiet liż-żewġ uliedha ta' 3 snin u sena u nofs ġiet illiberata b'deċiżjoni mill-qorti. Il-mara kienet akkużata wkoll li ġibdet ritratti indiċenti ta' tfal, għalkemm fl-appell il-qorti ħassret il-kundanna ta' 3 snin priġunerija. Ftit tal-jiem ilu eżatt qabel ingħatat din id-deċiżjoni, il-preżentatriċi ta' Net Television Leja Hogg intervistat lil din il-mara li kienet qed taffaċċja dawn l-akkużi.
During the 2 months that I spent in the jail on 2017, my life changed completely because I didn't have any more contact with my children, who are my part of my life. And my life started to change completely because I never expected that one day I will be arrested just because I want to start the separation procedure from my husband. Obviously, in the jail for 2 months, I learned a lot of things. I try to be strong.
Il-każ instem quddiem l-imħallef Giovanni Grixti. Il-qorti fid-deċiżjoni tagħha ordnat divjet fuq l-isem ta' tfal involuti f'din l-istorja u għalhekk li mhux qed tinkixef l-identità tal-mara Taljana.
My unique hope is to have my children back and to be clear completely, and that the truth about this injustice, not human case, will come out, because I am just a mother who just wants to protect her children.
Il-prosekuzzjoni f'dan il-każ mexxiet mill-Ispettur Joseph Busuttil.